Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to use Hotspot Shield VPN on your laptop. Before we start, check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. I personally recommend NordVPN because it is faster, has more server locations, and works more reliably with streaming services compared to most other VPNs. It also has stronger security features like double encryption and threat protection, which Hotspot Shield does not offer in the same way. Using a VPN on your laptop can help you stay secure online, keep your information private, and access websites or streaming services that might be blocked in your location. Hotspot Shield is one of the most popular VPNs, and it is very simple to set up. First, open your laptop and go to the official Hotspot Shield website. Download the version that matches your operating system, whether it is Windows or Mac. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install the software. After installation, open Hotspot Shield. You will see the main dashboard with a large power button in the center. If you already have an account, log in with your details. If not, you can sign up directly in the app. To connect, click the power button. Hotspot Shield will automatically connect you to the fastest available server. If you want to choose a specific location, click the server list and select the country you want. This is useful for accessing region-specific websites or streaming content from other countries. Once connected, you can browse, stream, or work online with your data encrypted and your IP address hidden. If you notice slow speeds, try switching to another server or closing apps that are using too much bandwidth. When you are done, simply click the power button again to disconnect. Remember to reconnect whenever you want privacy or need to access restricted content. While Hotspot Shield works well, NordVPN offers more advanced features, faster speeds, and better compatibility for streaming and gaming. It also has more global servers, so you can always find a fast connection no matter where you are. If you want the best mix of speed, security, and access, NordVPN is the smarter choice. Once again, check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and enjoy a faster, safer, and more open internet experience on your laptop.